Hello, this is your Vice President for Business Development, Jurgen Gonzalez, and today, pag-uusapan natin kung ano nga ba ang Personal Monthly Achievement or PMA at ano ang importance nito sa inyong business. Well, ang PMA or Personal Monthly Achievement ay isang napaka-importante at essential part ng compensation plan natin because this assures a steady income for all the distributors and leaders in our community. First of all, para sa mga new distributors, during your first month hanggang second month, non-applicable pa sa'yo ang Personal Monthly Achievement. And then, on your third month hanggang sixth month, ang iyong Personal Monthly Achievement ay at least 300 pesos dapat. Meaning, any product na pwede mong bilhin na minimum na 300 pesos, ito na ang iyong Personal Monthly Achievement. Now, for distributors na 7th month and above na, irrespective of any position, ang iyong Personal Monthly Achievement should be 0.3334 positional points. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it para sa mga distributors natin, irrespective of any position, yan ang iyong Personal Monthly Achievement. So bakit nga ba importante ang Personal Monthly Achievement? First of all, this assures you of your binary income. Ang payout system natin dito ay pwedeng daily, weekly, or monthly. Because of the PMA, sigurado na ang iyong pairing bonus. Next, of course, this also assures you of your income in terms of the Unilevel, Stairstep, and Unipay plan every 15th of the following month. Ayan, so dapat talagang ginagawa nyo itong Personal Monthly Achievement para sa inyong monthly or daily income. And of course, kaya ito tinawag na Personal Monthly Achievement because this means that you should be personally consuming our products. Kasi syempre tayo ay nasa food supplement business, so we have to remain healthy. And at the same time, pwede nyong gawing personal retail ito para sa mga users and consumers ninyo na alam nyo na may in love o magugustuhan ang ating mga produkto. And of course, retailing is the backbone of any business. Kahit nasa traditional business, makikita nyo ngayon maraming mga live streaming like Netflix for example, Google Play, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus. Lahat ito merong subscription na tinatawag because this assures the retail base, the longevity, the continuity of the business. So ibig sabihin, pag healthy rin ang retail base mo, meron kang solid user base, sigurado ang pagtagal ng business mo, and at the same time, dahil tumatagal ang business mo, tumatagal din yung iyong income na tuloy-tuloy na pumapasok sa iyo. And because of this, pag merong personal consumption, pag merong tinatawag na user base or retail base, this assures the longevity of your business because sa totoo lang, ito ang pinakamagandang source of income pagdating sa ating compensation plan wherein there is a healthy product movement, healthy product reorder among your team, among your network, among your community. So ibig sabihin, even if there's no sponsoring, even if there's no recruiting in your team, assured ang income nyo sa product movement pa lang. Third, because of this, may healthy product movement, madaming gumagamit, maraming nagbebenta ng product, mapapabilis ang promotion ninyo pagdating sa SE, GE, and GA, or even Ruby and Diamond Global Ambassador. Because alam nyo naman, pagdating sa ating stair-step compensation plan, nakabase sa positional points ang ating mga promotion, ang ating mga position. And another thing, of course, pag ito ay na-duplicate ng leaders mo, na sila mismo, meron ding retail base, sila ay gumagamit ng product, meron silang personal consumption, at nagkaroon ng natural duplication pababa, ibig sabihin natural sales na ito, natural income na ito, at ito ay siguradong tatagal at tatagal pa sa mahabang panahon. So essentially, pag may ganitong klaseng culture sa team ninyo, merong personal consumption, may retail base, maraming users, at maraming gumagamit ng produkto, longevity or long-term viability sa business ninyo. Because what we want ultimately, ladies and gentlemen, is that product movement pa lang sa loob ng network ninyo, kumikita ka na ng maganda, healthy na ang mga income mo. Kaya naman, if you're able to really implement this strategy, this culture in your team, sigurado ang monthly income mo pagdating sa ating Stairstep, Unilevel, and Unipay plan. So there you have it. I hope you're able to learn something from this short video. And I hope you're able to also Teach this to your downlines, to your teams, para nang sa ganun ma-appreciate nila ang power ng personal monthly achievement o yung tinatawag nating PMA. See you and more power. Happy networking to everybody.